Hey, you guys, it is me, Diva TT, and I am back with another video, you guys. And as y'all can see, I am back in the eyebrow threading chair, okay? I am getting my eyebrows threaded. This is about a month and a half's worth of eyebrow growth, okay? So my eyebrows were thick, they were fully grown out, and it was time to get my eyebrows done. When it's time to get my eyebrows done, I like to have my eyebrows grown out fully because that ensures that you are going to get the best eyebrow arching or eyebrow threading shape that you can get, okay? So yes, this is about 1 month and a half's worth of new growth of hairs on my eyebrows, okay? I used to get my eyebrows done every 2 weeks, but when I'm doing eyebrow threading, 1 month and a half is, standard time for me. My eyebrows be so bushy, they be fully grown out and damn near growing all over my face, okay? I be having them Chewbacca eyebrows, them mustache eyebrows, okay? And I just can't be taking it no more. Like, they be curly, they be coarse, they get long. Oh my God, you name it, my eyebrows are just unruly when they're fully grown out, as you can see. And I'm sitting in the chair taking it like a G. But to be honest with you, I'm ready to jump up out this chair and run out. No lie. But I have to keep my composure because I want the desired eyebrow shape, okay? So I have to keep my composure and get this done, okay? So I'm struggling. She jerking my head. Lord have mercy. It's hard right now, okay? I can feel every single hair follicle come out my face, okay? And sometimes it be feeling like she about to thread off my edges because I know she trying to get every hair. And I know that once I have fully grown out eyebrows, my eyebrows damn near connect to my hairline. Don't be fooled by me just holding my composure right now and just looking like I'm asleep. Look at my face jumping right there. Y'all see the face jumps, okay? It hurts so bad to my core, okay? Every hair that comes out is taking a piece of my soul right with it. Like, oh my God. And then sometime, like right there, she took a big old chunk. That was no joke. I damn near jumped up. You know that saying, make you want to jump up and slap somebody's mama? I definitely could have jumped up and slapped her or somebody. I just want to slap somebody. And by me spacing out my eyebrow threading visits or, the time that I get my eyebrows arched to 1 month and a half or 1 month, in that period of time, your eyebrows don't get used to the pain no more. You don't get used to it. And every time I get back in the chair after waiting that long period of time in between appointments, it's like for the first time every single time, okay? I'm over here complaining, but I'm over here needing an eyebrow shape really bad, okay? And I know that even though it's painful, I know at the end my eyebrows are gonna look so pretty. I'm gonna have a clean finished look. But yeah, I have to go through the pain. Look at my face is jumping. It's just jumping. I'm so hairy. I'm such a hairy girl. I was a hairy baby and I'm a hairy adult, which means I have to maintenance my eyebrows. I've been getting my eyebrows arched and threaded since I was in the 8th grade because my eyebrows are so thick, and I'm just crazy about having an arch and having clean eyebrows. It's so important because your eyebrows are the first thing that a person sees when they look in your face, okay? And although I like to get my eyebrows, arched, I still like to fill my eyebrows in. And I hate having new growth when I'm filling in my eyebrows, okay? So, yes, I don't be wanting to see no eyebrow afros under my fill in when I fill in my eyebrows, okay? So, yes. Although it does happen because sometimes when I fill in my eyebrows, I be having to regrow my eyebrows out. So sometimes it be looking like a little afro, but I try not to have that happen. Definitely means I'm in between appointments, okay? So as you can see, she is almost finished and she has tamed my eyebrows, okay? I just love it. Now, I would have liked a little bit more deeper arch, but I guess this arch looks more natural on my face. You know what I'm saying? But she has tamed all my hairs and it's crazy. She can do that just with a piece of thread. Like, that's crazy, and it's such a super talent. Like, I love it. My hat is off to anybody who threads anybody's eyebrows, because that's crazy. You can do that with a piece of string. Like, and that string is so powerful, the way she just wraps it around each hair, and it just are able to pull out all these hairs at once. And I definitely can feel each hair follicle come out my face. Like, literally, I said that already, but literally it's the truth. You can feel it. Okay, I am here laying down like a corpse. And when I open my eyes be all cockeyed because I got to hold the skin to make sure she can get each hair and get her shape that she want to get. So, yes, that's what I be looking like. I be feeling like I'm just laid there. And when I open my eyes, I'm cockeyed. I can't help it, girl. I can't see. This process took about 10 minutes. You know, it's a real quick process. Like, I just love it. And I just like eyebrow threading because I feel like it's more precise. And while I'm laying there, I'm just like talking to myself like, Tiffany, hang in there, hang in there. Do not think about the pain. Pain is beauty. Look at that long and curly hair right on by my nose. Like, that's crazy. That came out my face. Them hairs are really disrespectfully long. Okay, so this is the finished product. This is me walking out. Well, I just walked out. Now I'm in the car, but I am a happy camper, and I'm here admiring my brows. They look so pretty, even though that one kind of looked like Spock, but it will grow in, and I'm going to fill it in on days I want to wear a full face of makeup. Right now, I am just wearing lipstick, and I am all natural, okay? But I love my eyebrows. I am Tiffany, and I will see you in my next video.